guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Frostbitten skin in Heartopia. Finally, you can get it. So you're just going to go up these stairs and go to the snowman, and you're going to press this button. You're going to basically want to press it 6 times, so that's one. You're then going to wait 10 minutes for it to cool down, and you are going to touch the snowman's button again. So here I just do that. And I'm going to then wait another 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So again, you have to do it 6 times in order to get the frostbite skin. So yeah, I'll be right back in 10 minutes. You don't have to always be in the snowman, by the way. So yeah, I'll be right back once I actually got the blue skin. I'll kind of record every time I touch the snowman's button. Again, it's going to take 1 hour, so I'll be right back. Third press. There we go. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's press it again for the 4th time. Okay, after 10 minutes, I'll press on it again. This is, I think, my 5th one. Okay, so this is our last one. I'm just going to press it. And as you can see, it says obtained, tap empty area to close. Okay. I am just going to go back to my house. You can also do it in the salon. I just have a mirror in my house. If you don't have a mirror, just go to the salon. Salon. Okay, I'm just going to go to my house, alright? Okay, so I'm going to press this button. And if you go to skin tone, as you can see, I'm able to change to the Frostbitten skin. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!